Jailer Shark here. It's time for your weekly weather forecast. Look at the weather. Beautiful today. It's very, very lovely. It's the middle of January. In fact, I know exactly what date it is because we're recording this on my birthday. So last week I did the video. I told you what was going to be my birthday on the 19th of January and no one commented, no one said happy birthday. So I'm very upset. The 100 people that watched the video, you're not nice. So anyway, today's my birthday, 19th of January, and look at the weather, it's lovely. I haven't even got time to go out on a boat because I'm too busy doing the weather for you. Because it's important that you know what the weather's going to do next week. That's right. So luckily I think Sean's here so he can do the weather professionally rather than me just Mickey Mousing it like I did last week. Anyway, Sean, what's the weather doing?
Hi there guys, Sean here from Star Marine, and despite what you all believe, yes, I'm alive. I didn't die overnight. Someone sent me an email and said, you haven't been on YouTube so long, we're worried about you.
Sorry, did they really?
Yeah.
Is that camera straight? Doesn't look straight to me.
I like your hair.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you know what? I've had my hair cut now for at least about 3 months and no one's, but I did wear a hat for the first month.
Well, can I tell you?
Go on.
I went to the hairdresser and dyed my hair.
Which colour did it dyed?
So technically it was meant to go grey, but it went brown. So then
Right.
they removed it all, and now I'm back to the original colour.
That's not your original colour hair.
That's my original colour.
Your hair is not a grey with a tint of purple.
Well, I don't know if it looks like that now.
Sean and I have not been in the office together since I got back from my holiday. My holiday was amazing, by the way. Did you see the pictures? Did you see the lions having...
I follow you, and I blocked you because at some point around Christmas time I was like, well, that looks like a lot of fun.
Sean was very stressed out.
Yeah.
But I'm back now, Sean, so let's do the weather. I'll sit here while you do it, looking all sexy.
So if this is your first time with us on the weather, basically,
Oh, you're a weather fan. What? What?
some things you don't want to see. You're lucky there's a camera here. There's a screen here.
I'm naked.
Anyway, we use 3 apps. We use Windy.
Yes.
Because in Phuket the wind
Dictates the waves, basically, and the weather.
and tells us how much rain we could potentially see. Then the other one that we use is AccuWeather because it's the closest to being accurate.
Not really, it's more of your normal weather forecast that people understand.
And in the second take, I'm not going to say that other thing just so I don't trigger that joke.
Sean messed up and I made a very bad joke.
And third is the TMD radar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with...
Can I just say, the T&D radar I think is pants, by the way. Because every time I do the weather, I don't see it working. But you can explain it better here.
I only use the radar in the morning off.
It's nice just lying on your desk like this.
Help me!
It's not very professional, is it?
I'm going to need therapy.
Are you?
I already have PTSD over a lot of things.
Talk to me, Sean. Tell me about your life.
Anyway,
When did it all start?
in the...
Go on.
That's going to be a long YouTube video.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is let's talk about colours.
Oh!
Green means that the wind is moderate. Yellow means that the wind is really, really high. And blue means we've got a good wind. So
And
we're
purple's awesome, by the way.
So now we're looking at Sunday afternoon, which is this afternoon. Looking at the trees, we have a mild wind out there, but it shows by the afternoon it's going to drop
Because
down.
we're recording this on the 19th of January, which is a really special day, as I told you all last week, but none of you commented.
Well, I generally don't comment about birthdays anymore.
No one
because
does.
No one really wants to know how old they are.
No one cares. Hey, by the way, what's this area here?
This is towards Similan.
Because every time last week when I did my weather, this area was just weird. There was like a circle, like a Bermuda circle of weather.
Yeah, there's no Bermuda Triangle there, but
Right.
last week we didn't offer a lot of boats to Similan because it was quite choppy. But today, actually, in the afternoon, it looks quite nice. It'll be a nicer
No
trip
one's going
back.
to watch this today. Let's go to tomorrow.
So looking at
Monday, the
Ooh.
20th.
Gosh, we have some wind.
Do we?
Yes. Good news is that...
Don't. I told someone to go out tomorrow. I said
Good
it's really
news is
good.
over this side is that we don't see a lot of wind, so this condition will come across. So I'm predicting Monday afternoon we're going to see a quiet condition. There we go, prediction
It's
comes
good because I
through.
told the lady to go out to PB
Yeah.
tomorrow. It'll be lovely.
Look, this is our normal season for this. We'll get a little high wind in the morning, a little low wind in the afternoon. Looking at Tuesday, a little wind in the morning, dying off in the afternoon. Now, last week when you did the weather, the sea was...
a bit bouncy last week. I did tell people that.
Yeah, this week we're looking at a significantly improved condition.
Not so bouncy.
Yeah, so I'm gonna...
Gonna what?
I'm gonna need less walks to get through the day.
Okay, Sean's walking because he's stressed out nowadays.
Exactly.
He needs a dog.
Actually, it was quite interesting. I had this conversation with a friend of mine the other day. When you get to a certain age, and we won't say what age
I'm old, mate.
The concept of running might go out the window, and a walk is the best you can do.
I told you I stopped walking about a year or so ago, and I stopped running, and now I just walk everywhere. It's good.
I'm doing the same thing. I like a
Put a
good
weight
hour
belt
walk.
on as well. You put a weight harness on thing on. You look good then. You look like a terrorist. Just don't go in there any kind of churches or mosques or synagogues.
The only downside is that I have to change my shirt so that people don't stop me and talk to me about
Sean,
work.
do it naked. We love you naked.
Oh no, because it bounces.
Oh, boobies.
Looking at Wednesday, wind in the morning, calm in the afternoon. Looking at Thursday, wind in the morning.
When can I take the new Niver boat out? 'Cause I
Calm
want
in
to
the
film
afternoon.
it.
Wednesday afternoon looks like a good day.
Wednesday afternoon?
Thursday.
Thursday afternoon?
Yeah, look at that. That is
It's
dead
after
calm.
I'm teaching. Okay, I can do
It's
that.
dead calm.
We've got this new boat, which is like a James Bond boat, and Karen, our customer service lady, wants to take it out.
Sorry, AJ, because I can't answer your call because I'm doing the weather. Someone just rang me that came up on the screen.
Shut up, AJ. We're busy.
Friday, little wind, no wind. This seems like a very.
You're supposed to. I've been bigging you up for the last 2 weeks
Saturday,
about how professional you are.
same thing.
This is the worst one ever.
Sunday. Oh, look at
What?
Sunday.
Sunday next week. Is
No
it
wind
good?
in the morning.
Wow.
And no wind in the afternoon. Wow.
So, because I didn't go out today on my birthday, can I go out next Sunday?
Yeah, I told you already you could take a boat today.
I know, but you haven't. I just looked at it. You haven't got any.
Yeah, well, because you didn't book one. Monday's good
You
too.
really?
Okay,
you really
so
haven't got any.
summarising, looking at the week ahead, it's a significantly better week this week than last week. We will have a little wind and chop in the morning with a calm sea in the afternoon. If you're here next weekend, the conditions are perfect. In fact, I would even let Jay take Lisa one all the way to PP on Sunday and Monday, and that is a big statement because that's a small boat.
I don't know if I want to do that trip.
I'm not
but
sure it's got enough fuel.
You could do it.
They'd have to refuel out there, right?
We have to refuel probably twice.
Yes.
We can do it if you want me to do it as an adventure. Be a good video.
No, I was
I've
purely
taken her
just-
to Kai. I went my Tom. That's
Yeah.
the furthest I've been with her.
Anyway,
Sorry.
if you have questions about specific dates that you're coming, you can drop a comment below.
You haven't
And
done all the others yet. You've only just done one.
Just wait.
Okay.
And you
What am I
will
waiting for?
notice that Windy has extended its forecast out, so
Ooh.
it's more than 10 days now, which
Sean's
is very cool.
upgraded.
Moving over to our very famous, very popular AccuWeather. That's sort of what Jay and I call not so AccuWeather. I like that. That's a good joke.
No, you can go for it. It's better than the other joke I said.
Let's not go back there.
No, at least I got the name of the editor right. What?
Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all looking good.
Days of the week. Let me guess. I'm not even looked at this. Stop coughing. I'm not even looked at this. I guarantee you'll say 31 to 32 degrees. There'll be a 40% chance of showers, and at least 2 of the days will show overcast and thunderstorms.
Yeah, pretty much exactly it.
That's exactly what they do every.
Yeah. You know this cough? It's a very interesting thing I learned.
What's that?
It's because we've had some bad weather. I've got all this anxiety about the weather, and so now I have an anxious cough. Gee, it's true, 100%.
An anxious cough.
Yeah, so what happens is
God.
that I have no physical reason, like I don't have a cold or COVID or anything, but because I'm so tense, my body's been like, too much cortisol, and the cortisol is in my throat, and it makes my vocal cords react. Yeah, it's weird. Something new for you to learn. Yes, I'm in therapy, don't worry. Over the weather. Whenever the weather gets like this, I get these text messages. I get all these text messages from other owners. They're like, how do you deal with
go
it?
with this. You've got a cough because of you're anxious about the weather.
Yeah.
Get on with it. Do the TD radar thing.
TMD radar, there's nothing on it.
There's nothing. See, I told you it's pants.
There's nothing on it. What can we say about it?
It's pants. I don't know what it is. So this is live right now.
We're live right now.
So what's the point of showing people this when it's Sunday?
Just so they
19th, my birthday,
They know how to use it. It is blue sky out there though.
No, I just did the intro. We know
Yeah.
it's blue sky, but what's the point of looking at this?
Well, I look at it every
Yeah,
morning.
but they don't want to. We're looking. This is the
Yeah, no,
week
but
ahead.
if they're going to go out on tour, they can pull this up in the morning and have a prediction about.
They
what's
can do what they
gonna
like in the mornings if they want. Whatever they're pulling.
happen. You have good mornings, not me.
I do have good mornings at the
I have to
moment.
work.
I had a great morning yesterday, or yesterday and this morning.
Where's our favourite dog?
She's down there. Do you want to see her?
Darling!
Mischief!
Darling!
No, she's asleep. I'll get her.
Anyway, that's it, guys.
No,
Like, subscribe, comment below. Jay came in with coffee, but none for anyone else.
Oh, I didn't have donuts either. It's my birthday. I should have brought donuts, shouldn't I? Come here, you.
And yesterday he went and had seafood.
I did, but I didn't get what I wanted. I wanted lobster. Hello. Mischief's here.
Mr. Sandler.
I did want lobster. They didn't have lobster at the seafood restaurant I went to. So
Anyway, for those 2 people that watched this video, we appreciate it, and hi to Jay's mum.
no, she doesn't watch. I talked to her when I was on holiday about it.
Oh,
She's never
your
watched.
dad does.
No.
Then who comments as them? You?
Sometimes. Thanks for watching.
Bye.